Hello everyone, welcome back to Droove Drives. Today, let's go for a drive in this 2024 INFINITI QX60 Luxe. This has a 3.5 liter V6 with 295 horsepower. Seats are quite comfortable. You have full leather seats. You have a wireless charging tray, heated steering wheel, heated seats, ventilated seats, which is pretty nice. As this is not even the sensory or anything, it's the Luxe. You have a panoramic sunroof. Here's the middle, you got a middle row, three rows. Full digital gauge cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. It's a touchscreen, or you can use the controller down here. Sport, standard, eco, personal modes. For this, here's your gear selector right here. You have a 360 camera. Okay resolution. The Luxe comes with some pretty good stuff for being like the middle of the pack, as you still have the sensory and the autograph above this. For example, like this is on par with an MDX Tech, and the MDX Tech does not have ventilated seats or a 360 camera or a heated steering wheel, so that's pretty nice. So I think Infiniti did good as far as features. And this has the Bose Performance Series sound system. Smooth ride. Pretty quiet in here. But one thing that's weird is, even though this is a digital gauge cluster, whenever you change the mode, it doesn't change the way the cluster looks. Like in most cars, whenever you change it in between modes, like it'll turn in sport mode, for example, the gauges will turn red and look a little bit different. But in this, the gauges are stationary. No matter what mode it's in, it won't change. But yeah, the seats, even with the lumbar support and everything active, I wish they were a little bit more comfortable. Like I'd say an MDX Tech's seats are more comfortable than this. I mean, the leather's nice, it's soft, but like the back support could be better. Side bolster, lateral support could be better, and the headrest is a little bit, hard. Transmission is a little bit slow to respond when you put your foot down, but I'll take it over the CVT that used to be in the QX60, which was pretty horrible. I hated the CVT in the previous generation QX60. Luckily, they switched to a 9-speed transmission. 9 speeds are not the best, obviously. They are a little bit clunky, but it's better than the CVT. I'll take it over CVT any day. And if you watch my channel often, you know that I don't like CVTs at all. I'm a pretty big critic of them. I like the sound of the turn signal. It's not too loud. I mean, it's little things like that do add up. Like some cars, the turn signal is just really, really loud. Like this sound, which I like. It's just nice and quiet. It's a pretty peaceful interior. I like the way the steering wheel looks. Anyways, let's finish this off with a quick walk around of the vehicle as always. So this is the white exterior. I like the front end of these a lot. They look really good. It says Infiniti in the front on the grille too. Nice daytime running light design. Nice Infiniti logo on the back. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.